Hello everyone, Habib here. In this video I'm going to share with you a simple PHP script, and this script is useful if you want to make a simple offline local web page in your local web server. For example, if you are using XAMPP like this, you can have this simple upload page. Here you can upload any file. For example, let me choose this image here, and we click upload, and then in the directory of this simple web page, you will have this folder, uploads folder, and inside it you will have the image that you have uploaded. Why I make this tutorial? It is very simple. And why do I make it? I have an idea that if we access this local web page from our smartphone or our another laptop in our house, that we have same Wi-Fi connection, we can access this address for example from my phone, and then on my phone I can upload a file from my local gallery in my phone. Then after uploading the file, I will have the file here on my PC. So in other words, by using this kind of solution, we can send any file from our mobile phone or from our another laptop to this PC, PC that has local web server running in it. So if you want to have this simple script, it is very basic and simple script, and HTML and PHP code here. I will share the link in the description of this video, and then I will show you how to use this simple web page to upload files from our phone to our PC. So I will access this web page from my PC, but I need to change this localhost with an IP address. This PC has a local IP address that we need to know what is the local IP address of this PC. We need to, if we are using Windows, we need to press window button and type cmd. Here we type ipconfig. Then we will see the IP for address here, 192.168.1.2. This is our local IP address. Let's copy this IP address and paste it here, then press enter. Now we are accessing this local web page from using the IP address. If you have a cell phone or a tablet or something that is connected to the same Wi-Fi network with this PC, you will be able to access this address. So I'm going to demonstrate it to you how I access this page from my cell phone. Alright guys, this is my iPhone, and I have some images here. I have these images, and let's say I need to send these images to my PC using this simple local web page. What I'm going to do is to open my Safari, and then I type the address of this local web page, 192.192.1.2. 168.1.2, then slash projects. Let me edit the local uploads. I click, oh, it's wrong address. 192.168.1.2 projects local upload without S. You can see this web page here, and I'm going to upload a file. Click this button and I choose, oh, this one is taking photo. I will choose a file from my gallery. Let's say this one. Wait for a minute, then we click upload. Now it says the file is uploaded. If I go back to my PC and check this uploads folder, now we have this file moved from my phone to this PC. You can develop this script and improve it so you can make your own wireless file transfer system for your phone, for your local network. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. I you enjoy it. Bye bye, see you next time.